Supreme Court just changed the future of millions of American students. Yeah, you heard that right. In a landmark decision, the Supreme Court has backed a major shakeup proposed by the Trump administration for public education. So, what does this actually mean for classrooms, teachers, and students across the country? Let's break it down. Here's the big headline. The plan allows for deep job cuts in public education, especially non-teaching staff. We're talking about the people who keep schools running smoothly behind the scenes. Think guidance counselors, librarians, cafeteria workers, and even some administrative roles. The administration argues this is about streamlining operations to make schools more efficient and cost-effective, but critics say it means fewer resources, less support, and more pressure on teachers and students. Now here's where it gets even more controversial. The new policy could also impact rights and protections for students, especially those with disabilities or those who depend on special education services. Advocates worry that cutting staff means there'll be fewer specialists to help students who need individualized attention, and some fear that loosening regulations might make it harder for families to fight for their kids' rights in school. On the other side, supporters argue that giving local schools more freedom could lead to innovative approaches and better results for everyone. So, why did the Supreme Court back this plan? The majority said that education decisions should be made closer to home, by states and local school boards, not the federal government. They see this as a way to return power to communities and cut back on what they see as federal overreach. But for a lot of teachers, parents, and students, this decision raises big questions about the future of public schools. Will these changes make education more flexible, or will they leave some students behind? Will job cuts save money, or will they hurt the quality of learning? I want to know what you think. Does this Supreme Court decision set public education on the right track, or is it a step backward for American schools? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's start a conversation about the future of education in this country. And if you want to stay updated on how these changes play out, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.